You're most welcome to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe if you have not yet subscribed, and also hit the notification button in that you get most of these tutorials about farming. Many farmers find themselves moving from one animal venture to another when deciding what animal enterprise to invest in. Uh, this actually involves money. So such farmers, you find that that they didn't decide well in the first place in what animal venture to actually put money in. So they didn't make clear plans before investing. So most of the people invest in businesses without considering all pillars that lead to profitability. So most times such farmers give up on farming and term themselves failures. I visited a farmer who started goat farming with local goats at Local Mubende within Uganda here, with the aim to improve them later on. It so happened that even with the local goats that are known to be resistant to disease, she lost most of the goats due to poor management, housing, uh, predators, uh, health-related issues. She recorded actually high mortalities in kids and pregnant ones. So they say starting is always hard and failing to start is total failure. So one good thing about this farmer, she didn't give up since farming was her passion, and actually generally she liked goats. She employed she decided to employ a committed team that is trainable, and someone who has actually gone to school to study animal production. She fenced off her land, secured a clean water system, built a good structure for her goats, and set up a good record system. There she wanted to manage all the records so that she can actually trace back what is happening at her farm. At this stage, she realized that she can manage any type of goats, so she went ahead and purchased an excellent boar back, since she was interested in meat production, and actually boar goats are known for their excellent meat muscling ability. So then she also added in a few excellent females. 2 years down the road, the production actually hit to 300 goats with a low mortality rate of 5%. So what does someone need to start a goat farm? One, you need to have a clear plan and objective. Define your venture. What type of a goat venture do you want to run? Is it dairy? Is it beef? Are you interested in breeding? So you need to define what type of venture you need to run. Then you need resources. You need land and feed. Remember, goats are browsers and utilize pastures actually not utilized by other animals like cows and sheep. You need capital. You need capital to construct your goat pen. You need capital for running daily activities at the farm. So you need labor. You need people to work, to look after the goats, the herdsmen. So the bigger the number of animals, the better the returns on labor, because this you're going to spend money on these things. So you need to see ways of reducing your cost of production. Then while feeding goats, you really need to target goats that are of special need. You need to target goats that have need to grow, lactating goats. You need to target the pregnant goats, supplement on their diets. So housing, you need to have a proper housing structure with enough space for goats and with good lighting and ventilation, in that your goats actually are in a healthy place. You need clean water, and you need clean water systems. You need clean water systems in that your goats don't get infected with worms. Then one key thing is actually you need to have a proper record system. Then you need to aim at making profits. You see, Most of the thing that actually farmers actually forget is actually at time. Time is a key factor in production. In most of these ventures, you need to look into a time frame. How long are you going to produce the goods? When are you selling them? Such kind of factors. You see, people in poultry have actually done so well, and these things can also be done in other animal ventures. So while doing all this, you need to ensure that your products are of good quality and they can actually fetch for you a good price.